Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 7 assignment of ethical hacking. Let's see the first question. Question number 1. Consider a hash function h that generates hash values h1 and h2 when fed with message m1 and m2 respectively. Which of the following options can never be true? Okay. Options are h1 and h2 are equal but m1 and m2 are unequal. m1 and m2 are equal but h1 and h2 are unequal. And none of this. Here option B can never be true. Okay. So B will be the answer. So I select option B. Now moving into the next question, question number 2. What is meant by collision in the context of hashing? Options are more than one different message can generate the same hash value. Option B, after encryption, the ciphertext corresponding to two or more plain text are the same. Option C, the hash function generates the all zero string as the hash value. Here option A will be the answer. Okay, so I select option A. Now get into next question, question number 3. A message M is fed to a hash function hash to generate the hash value h equal to hash m. Okay, which of the following statements is true? Options are the number of bits in h is much larger than the number of bits in m. The number of bits in h and m are almost equal. The number of bits in m is much larger than the number of bits h. Here option C will be the answer. Okay, so I select option C. Now get into the next question, question number 4. What of the following does not correspond to the first pre-image resistance in the context of hash functions? Options are it is difficult to find a message m such that hash m is equal to h except for a few hash values h. This option actually refer to first pre-image resistance. Second options, given a message m1, it is difficult to find another message m2 such that hash m1 is equal to hash m2, and this is referred to second pre-image resistance. And third option is it is difficult to find two messages m1 and m2 such that hash m1 and hash f2 and unequal, and this is referred to collision resistance. Okay, the question is what of the following does not correspond to the first image? So B and C will be the answer. Okay, so I select option B and C. Now get into the question number 5. Which of the following statements is a true? Hashing realizes a one-to-one mapping, encryption realizes one-to-one mapping, Hashing realizes a many-to-one mapping. Encryption realizes a many-to-one mapping. Here option C will be the answer. Okay. So I select option C. Now moving into the next question, question number 6. Which of the following are hash functions? Options are MD5, triple DES, SHA1, AES. Here MD5 and SHA1 will be the answer. A and C. Because triple DS stand for data encryption standard and AES stands for advanced encryption standard, and MD5 message digest 5 and SHA secure hash algorithm. So SHA1 and MD5 will be the answer. Okay. So I select A and C. Now moving into the next question, question number 7. Which of the following statements is a true? Options are computing a hash function is faster than computing symmetric key encryption. Computing public key encryption is slower than computing symmetric key encryption. Computing public key encryption is slower than the computing hash function. Both public key and symmetric key encryption take approximately the same time. Here option A, B and C will be the answer. Okay. So I select A, B, C. Now get into the next question, question number 8. What are the block size and key size of the DES algorithm? Options are 64 bits, 56 bits, 56 bits, 64 bits, 64 bits, 64 bits, 64 bits, 120 bits. Option A will be the answer. 64 bits is the block size and key size will be 56 bits. Okay. So option A will be the answer. So I select option A. Now get into the next question, question number 9. What kinds of algorithms are typically used in the computation of digital signature? Options are cryptographic hash functions, symmetric key encryption, biometric authentication, all of these. Here option A, cryptographic hash function will be the answer. Okay. So I select option A. Now question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. The SSL record protocol is responsible for, options are high speed data transmission, data authentication, non-repudiation. Okay. Here everybody will be thinking that data authentication will be the correct answer, and I also thought that data authentication is a correct answer. But whenever I checked with last year question answer sheet of NPTEL on ethical hacking, I'll show you. And let's see that the question that is the same question. The SSL record protocol is responsible for. The options are little bit different here. Only this option will be is different. Remaining options are same. So here data encryption is the correct answer, no doubt about it. But what they mentioned here, that let's see it does not provide authentication service. Okay, so as per their answer sheet, data authentication is not correct answer. Okay, and so also I did some research on SSL record protocol and found that SSL record protocol is also responsible for high speed data transmission, okay, but not directly. So that is partially correct. That is partially correct. Okay. So either you can choose options A or D. Okay. Okay. So friends, now I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.